na mismo sa home arena nila, binubuo si Nico Harrison, tapos yung mga tao sa arena nagcha-chant fire Nico, fire Nico. So if you are ownership, you cannot have that. Diba?
Yeah. I
PR
think it's
kasi
mainly because of na-pressure na rin
na
yung
pressure na
ownership na
public.
tsaka negative na masyado negative.
So, ang narinig ko rin, nabasa ko, na-upset din ang ownership dahil sa mga home games nila, maraming Luka Doncic jersey na Lakers, na hindi Dallas. Diba?
Oo nga, ang dami. Nakita ko katabi mismo ni yung owner
That was the frustration sa So sabi, we have to move on. We have to start the cleansing. Pero it will never be forgotten kasi every year, the Lakers visit the Dallas Mavericks twice every year. It would be a painful, venomous reminder na, nako, atin to ah. And Luka is just scratching the surface. He's not even approaching. Right?
Very young.
Oo, lalo pang mas gagaling yon, diba?
Habang reminder. At ang pinakamasakit nito, pag nag-champion si Luka na wala sa Dallas,